So we put together this X-Tech YouTube channel. This channel has a lot of short videos, and we will keep building to it, of things you and your students may need to be able to do. I've put those items into playlists to group them to make them easier to find. So this link here will take you right to the playlist from our channel, and it is in our virtual Schoology classroom. And I have grouped them. You'll see there's 2 for Zoom, there's 15 tutorials for teachers, 12 for students. This is now hidden, it's private. I only see it because we're not using Google Meet with students anymore, so you and students won't see that. Tech support, some things on YouTube, and some things on Screencastify. So let's say I want my students to watch a Zoom tutorial on one of these first days to review, or I might want to play it even. You can grab the link to do that in a Zoom meeting. So in this Zoom Basics, once I load a video, I do want to show if I'm in a playlist, all the videos in the playlist show up in this area. It says I'm on 1 of 2. And if I had more, they would be listed right down there so that you can easily flip through them. If I want to use this with my students, there's 2 things I can do. I can give them a link so they come to YouTube, or what might be simpler for them is to put it in a page and embed it right in Schoology. Regardless, I want to click share, and I want to grab this YouTube link and copy it. I'm now going to come back to Schoology, and let's say I'm on week 1, and I want my students right on Thursday to watch one of this video. I'm going to add material, add a link. It's a link like any other website link. I'm going to paste that in there, and I'm going to name it Zoom Basics. Now, in real world, I would give them directions on how to do this. I wouldn't just throw it in the folder and not tell them what to do with it. But I do want to get that link in there. When I click on that link, it'll launch the YouTube page. Alternately, you may want to create, if you don't want your students flipping back and forth from YouTube into Schoology, you can embed it right into a page. So I'm going to add a page. I'm going to say Zoom Basics. And in the page, I'm going to say, please watch the video below on the basics of using Zoom on the Chromebook. And instead, I'm going to do insert content, YouTube, and I can paste that in there. And I'm going to find that Zoom Basics, and I'm going to import it as an embed. So I use that wheel, import as embed. And I'm going to click create. So now with it on the page, instead, when I click on it, I have my directions telling the student what to do at the top, and then the video is embedded right on that page. Either way is fine, it's teacher preference, but sometimes the page, it makes it a little easier to navigate for students.